Okay, geez, I gotta say I'm surprised with the brooks. Crossing another one here again. This one's dry, or a runoff, but just showing you what's available for resources for animals to drink besides Bigfoot, you know. It's pretty strong. It's good to see. Okay. All right. Is that a balloon? Let me just see if this is a balloon. No, it's a piece of... It's funny, there's no native brook trout or brookies in here. No, can't be. No, not a balloon. Sorry. Well, there's more of that nasty stuff. Oh. Gotta go around it. This is, different from the snap. What you see here is it's twisted. Okay, so he took it like that, grabs and twist. So that twisted. And this one here did the same thing. Yeah. It's almost like he twisted it and, well, there's a broken one down there. Oh, and there's one up there. Jeez Louise. Okay. That one, you got that one, and that one right over there. Yeah. They can hide. It's, easy for them. I mean, they're magicians anyways, but having all this, it's so easy for them to hide. When they want to be seen, they do make occasional mistakes. That's true. They absolutely do make mistakes. This is an older one. Oh, see from a chestnut. There we go. Many times you just find snaps, and then there's areas that you just find X's. And that's the case today. Oh, here's a big old cathedral. I'm sure in other states they're bigger, but in New England, this is the biggest pines we got. There's a vine. My God, look how thick this vine is. Going all the way up there. I wonder when that started growing. And George Washington passed through, I think. Well, looks like could be some X's over there. Just going through the thicket to get to that part. Sucks. Here, a lot of action. Whatever it was. Moving the soil. It could be scratches from turkey. Just checking this out. It's just flat. Just flat. If anything, it's a juvenile, but caught my eye. Probably not. Remember last summer when there was a little one, a baby here, and I was leaving out a toy for put a little thing in the cupcakes at night, and we're going through that process. You know, it's been about, I guess, 8 months ago. I wonder how big that little one is now. You know, what I was told before, that when they're about 2 years old, they're 6 feet at 2 years old. What I read and heard, so that's a fast growth rate, I'll tell you. Okay, I've been seeing a lot more of these lately. Now, as you can see, it's a bend, you know, and it is a sapling. And they like to do things with them. There's more saplings all broken down around it here. And, you know, I don't know if this can also be some type of symbol or whatever. Here's a branch that's placed on top of it. Okay, so if this came off of one of the trees and knocked it down, this branch would have bounced off, but it didn't. So what he did was he pulled this tree down, brought it down there, got it, and put this on top of it to keep it. Okay, so I know they make a bunch of these together. They start adding like branches and make like a tent, you know, but I find a lot of single ones. And so, you know, it might have a verbiage with them. Okay, we'll keep on running. Okay. Well, that could have easily fell there like that, but with so many structures and things around, it could have been made by them. Okay, I just wanted to show you this because I'm only about 50 yards from that other bend. So let's just check it out and see if this is something by nature. Here are those two big logs. They're been dead for quite a while. This thing is still living. As you can see, the leaves are still on it. It's bent down there. Now, again, these could have fallen on this particular one, or he could have put it underneath here, but man, that's just wanted to see. Okay, there, yeah, I mean, that could have been done by nature there.